Okay, another day out here. Today we're going to attempt to build some steel targets. Completely collapsible. Got to take them apart, put the legs, and use no tow chain. A couple pieces of pipe, possibly some rebar for legs. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I've gone ahead and cut the chain. I've got 3 links here. And I'm gonna get it's like a D-ring, where these can be changed out if necessary. There's 3 of them there. It's gonna weld in the corner. Got same setup here. There's 5 of them, 5 of them, 5 of them, and the end one, another 3. They'll link just like so. Then we'll come back and figure out how we're gonna do the legs on this thing. Okay, I've got the angle iron. Kind of setting where I needed to, where that length is going to get welded in. It's approximately 5 inches to center, and then I've got another one down here, 5 inches to center. We're going to weld that, and then we can start determining where we're going to put our other ones at. Not sure on that one yet. I want to try to get them as even as I can, but you know how things work. I'm going to start with the tack weld now. The D-ring lengths I want to get, we'll go through here, connect these 2 together. That's why I'm laying it out like that. I think I'm going to set up, I'm going to put them right there. Got it laid up. Put a couple tack welds in there and see what it looks like. To really know for sure if it's where I want it, I need those little D-rings. I think I will run to the store and pick some of those up real quick. I'll be right back. Well, I'm back with these type of chain links. They didn't have the shackle type that I wanted, where I could loop through and put a pin screwed in place. Let alone they wanted about $8 a piece for those. It's the only thing they had that would work for something like this, and also is the cheapest thing they had. It'll do the job, and you still be able to pry them apart, change out the target if needed. As thick as these things are, I doubt that would be needed, but depending on the size of ammo you're using, that could be very well. Alright, let me figure out what to, I guess we'll go ahead and finish welding these in. How I'm going to attach these. It'll be interesting how much of a pain in the butt this is going to be. Well, before I attach those, we need to figure out our legs. That'll work. Obviously with longer legs. leg pieces. They work just fine. Get everything hanging on here. our length of our legs need to be. I'll be back with you. Alright, I'm happy with everything sitting. Go ahead and add some more welds in there. And then my tacks break. Let you watch this boring part here. They ain't the best welds, but for what we're doing, they'll do just fine. Clean some of this mess. I cleaned up most of the welds. They definitely don't look all that, but whatever. So now we'll hang the targets from them. That way we can get an idea how long to make the legs. They don't look bad. Maybe I was jumping the gun there a little bit. So, still a little on the warm side. Let's see. Oh, there's why I ain't happy with it. It's lower than the other. That's better. Coming off that way, looks like we need about 21-inch legs. Let me get set up and cut some square tubing for that. Well, we're going to have to make the legs 20 inches each. I don't have enough for 21 4 times. We're just going to set in here and go from there. Don't make fun of my measuring. Look at that, they're all the same length. Alright, I'm gonna go clean up the edges there and we'll give it a try. Alright, I ground the sharp edges off of it. See if these things will actually fit. Happy so far. Alright, well there's hanging 4 steel targets. Removable legs. This is all compact, easily boxed it up, put it in a bag, what have you. The only thing I had to pay for on this was the targets themselves and them chain links I went and bought earlier. Didn't want that style, but yeah, you gotta take what you can. Rest of the steel there is just extra steel laying around the house from other projects. If you found it interesting or helpful, please like, subscribe, share it. Thanks for watching.